It's the biggest, tallest, widest, most luxurious RV in the world today. I'm trusted by a lot of the world's wealthiest people. Will Smith contacted me and said, hey, I want something unique. I said, I got it. And there is no amount of money that you could offer me to break that trust. I've been building RVs now for over 40 years. Kind of worked my way up to the trailers that we're building today.
When you're an A-list movie star and an ordinary RV just won't cut it, this $2.5 million 1,200 square foot double-decker mega RV is the one for you. Previously owned by Will Smith, this one-of-a-kind RV can be towed wherever you need it and rents out at a whopping $9,000 a night. But this RV still has a place in the heart of owner Ron.
Well, we started out in the industry. I was in medicine for a number of years, and I wound up buying a bus to do mobile blood testing. The insurance got out of hand, so that didn't work. And I had this bus, and I said, okay, what do we do with this bus? So we started renting it out. We're not like a mobile RV, it's bigger, so we called it an estate.
Ron's RVs had just got going, and soon the stars aligned.
We started out in the rock and roll industry, and through Sylvester Stallone, we migrated over to the movie industry. He told everybody in Hollywood, and boom. Will Smith contacted me and said, hey, I want something unique. I said, I got it. And that's how we built the first one for Will Smith.
That's some clientele. Big stars come with big ideas.
Well, the trailer expands not only up, but it has 4 pop-outs on the first level. So it all expands out to create a total of 1,200 square feet. What is very important is that the bottom half and the top half have to know what each other are doing. This entire section from right here drops down to right here. So it's important that everything collapses up here. So as you can see, there's latches here. So this entire door frame folds down in order to allow the roof to come down. Now this is a lounge area. This was designed originally to do dailies so that they can watch what they shot the day before. This unit has 14 televisions in it altogether. And the biggest one is a 100-inch projector screen. This is obviously the bedroom area, but this also converts to a couch. We have a fire exit up over the bed there.
The features don't end there. This RV is ridiculous.
This is a desk at one moment, and then in the next moment, this becomes a full makeup mirror. As you can see, the TV is in behind the makeup mirror here. We have a large 3-door refrigerator freezer here. There's a dishwasher drawer here. We spent $125,000 in granite because it has 17 slabs of granite in it. All in all, I have about $12,000 in just this table alone. The interior of this particular unit, I used a product out of France called Overflex, and it's a pre-finished real wood, but it's so hard you can take the keys of your car and run over top of it and it won't scratch.
The finish is fine, but the technology is even more impressive.
Control center. This controls all of the touch screens. It controls all the TVs. The electronics were over $100,000. Well, I've been a bit of a Trekkie all my life, so I've had Star Trek's doors and things since like 1980. If something happens, I can stop that door instantaneously. I don't have to have an edge to control. Now, this room was originally designed for wardrobe. We can close those doors, and then there's a rear entrance here. So the makeup artist and the wardrobe artist could come in this door and come into this room without entering the star's space. I love coming to work every day. I love what I do. I love the closeness I have with our clients. You know that this industry has afforded me a lifetime of stories.